Hey everybody, it's Natasha with the Food Factor. If you prefer a sweet breakfast instead of savory, this microwave breakfast cake is for you. All right, now it's time to mix all the ingredients. So I have already mashed the bananas, and now we're gonna add the oat flour. And oat flour is gluten-free for those of you all who are looking for a gluten-free option. I have the rolled oats, 1 egg, 1 egg white, and then the cinnamon and the vanilla. All right, so I'm gonna mix everything together. By using the banana, it replaces the sugar and the oil. So you just wanna make sure you have mixed everything really well. Okay, we've mixed everything together, and now we're gonna pour it in the ramekin. All right. And now we're ready to microwave for 2.5 to 3 minutes. I wish y'all could smell the cinnamon in here. It smells great. I hope you enjoy this microwave breakfast cake. It took less than 10 minutes to make.